As today we talk about how can you enable notifications on your Redfin app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on app notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to receive app notifications, just click on it. So that like you say this color show for us here, that's the main notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.